Step 3 is to organize. You look back at the question and your sentence of understanding, and then you're going to sort and organize the information you listed according to the topics of the question. There are a lot of different ways to do this. You can use any kind of labels that you want. You can highlight your notes in different colors depending on the part of the question that it is. You can number them. You can put an abbreviation or a symbol next to them. But I'm going to show you how I would do it so that it is easy to follow. And this is the same as what the example for Kaya's essay looks like as well. So the first thing we want to do is look back on our question and our sentence of understanding. So our question was asking for changes in transportation and technology, how the changes influenced the way people lived and worked, and how those changes continue to influence our lives today. So there were 3 parts to the question that it was asking. So, for example, what Kaya did is she took, now her question was different, but she took each one piece of her questions and made a different heading. Then she went all through her notes in step 2 and she sorted those notes according to where and what category they would fall in. So if it had something to do with population change in the US between 1840 and 1860, she put those things in there that would cause a population change. Anything that was about numbers and kinds of people, she would put in that category. Anything she put for reasons to come to the United States, she put in that category. So let's look and see what this looks like for us and our DBQ. So we had 3 different parts to our question also. We have, and so I'm going to make a heading for each one. Kinds of changes in transportation and technology in the early 1800s. How did these changes influence how people lived and worked? And how do these changes affect us today? Then what I'm going to do is I am going to go through my notes that I did in step 2 in building and gathering that background information. And I'm going to sort, kind of like you're sorting index cards into different piles. And so anything that has to do with kinds of changes in transportation and technology in the early 1800s, I would put in this pile or under this heading. Then anything that I jotted down about how the changes influenced how people lived and worked, I would put in this section. And then anything from my notes that talked about how these changes affect us today, I would put in this section. Okay, so that's why you need to do step 2 before you can organize. Good luck with step 3 in organizing your information.